Gemma 4 Edge Series, a 16-part trailer for engineers running LLMs on their own hardware. What if your language model never left your hardware? In 2026, that became real, and it changes everything. Data stays local, sub-100 millisecond inference, no per-token API costs. 3 reasons Edge AI is winning in 2026. Gemma 4, Google's open weights model family. 3 sizes, 4 billion, 12 billion, 27 billion parameters, built for edge deployment. 16 episodes covering the full arc. Foundations of Edge AI, running models locally, building useful applications with RAG and function calling, and production patterns, guardrails, governance, LoRa fine-tuning. No AI hype, no copy-paste tutorials, production thinking from someone building these systems in real environments. 16 episodes from architecture to production. Start with episode 1, Why Gemma 4? Let's dig in.